This is for you if you don't have any free time to acquire a skill. Hi, my name is Mujibula and you're welcome to today's tutorial. Now, I want to officially invite you to our March edition of shoemaking course. Now, it's a full course. You don't want to miss it. Just go ahead to the comment section. Let's go into today's video. Now, the first thing you need is a round shape such as this. I know somebody might be wondering, why are you using this? Now, I find out that the circumference of this, okay, I think I'm going to be using the lower part. The circumference is about circumference. The diameter is 7 centimeters. So you can actually get a round object or create a circle that has that particular diameter. I've taught us how to simply create a circle. So you're going to place it this way. For this particular open toe interlock design, it's actually an open toe and it's quite trendy. So make sure that you just draw it like you draw it halfway like this. Let me zoom this in so that we can see. Draw it just halfway like this. The next thing you're going to be doing to what you drew is you're going to be, now don't pick exactly here because literally we don't need much just to create the curve for the, we don't need much just to create a curve for this front part. So I'm going to place it, I'm going to align it like, can you see the way I'm trying to align this? You understand? And bring it this way. And bring it that way. I'm going to try to also do the same thing here. Like I'm bringing it down that way. So after doing that, I'm actually creating the cuff part. It depends on the width you want. So let's say we are using 2 centimeters all around. So we're going to be extending all around by 2 centimeters. You can make your own wider than that, is fine. So move it steadily on the line. I'm sure you can see that. So I'm trying to join them together. You can use your ruler if need be. So you can see what my cuff look like. I'm going to trim this out and then I'm going to duplicate it. If you enjoy this and you love to see more details when it comes to shoemaking, then I will encourage you to go ahead to the comment section and click the link to sign up for the March edition. Now, the class is a 6-week class and I can tell you, we are going from simply simple slippers to wedges to heel to pump shoes, and of course, we are going to be creating school shoes. So it's a combination of a whole family package. It helps you to reduce your family expenses on footwear. It helps you to build a new stream of income. It even boosts your confidence as a man or as a woman. So you can actually register somebody, you can tell somebody, you can involve probably your daughter, your son. You can actually register. There is no age barrier, no time accrued. So it's not like, oh, if I'm not in class, I will have missed something. No, the videos are pre-recorded. So it gives you the opportunity to come to class every time according to your schedule. So if you don't want to miss this, please don't miss it. I'm going to encourage you not to miss it. It's one of the best decisions I've made in my life to actually acquire this skill. And I'm going to be showing you the blueprints, how I was able to go around it, despite the fact that I don't have a huge amount of money stuck somewhere to actually start a skill. I'm going to see you in the class. Bye.